The vibrant spirit of India. On this Republic Day, Lamda Components proudly unfurls its story, a story of craftsmanship, precision, and a relentless commitment to our nation's progress. A homegrown brand at Lamda, we don't just cast components, we cast the future of a globally recognized India. Our aluminum die casting and precision machining are a celebration of precision that echoes in every product. This commitment of ours has pushed Lamda Components to become a prominent name in India's global manufacturing industry, with consistent growth in the volume of exports. Every day, our skilled workforce stands united, not just as employees of Lamda, but as proud contributors to India's exports. It is our collective dream, a dream woven into the tricolour that binds us as one nation, to continue this trend of progress and to further strengthen the national identity of India as a technology leader and a champion of the industry. This Republic Day, let the spirit of Lamda resonate with the spirit of a resurgent India.